And the race on. It's a jump start beginning for 11. Jaden Love Lolo rushing up is Bahala Na. Final impact, elusive win, racing import by the rally's newsmaker. Dynamic Love is racing on the outside. Bahala Na, final impact, fighting for the lead. And watching in third position is elusive win number 8. Racing import, Dynamic Love. Racing in fifth, newsmaker. 6 belongs to Jaden Love Lolo. And racing by the Reds Yellow Guska, Fields of Gold. Entry number 7, Magic Chant. And racing by the rail number 6, Ideal View. Third last is Midnight Bell. And rounding the far turn, elusive win, pokes his nose on the outside by the rails, Bahala Na. And racing in third, number 3. And this one is final impact, Dynamic Love. And as they race the final corner, elusive win by Alenkenha, followed by Bahala Na in second. And Dynamic Love down on the inside is final impact. And racing on the outside is Midnight Bell. Elusive win by about 2 lengths and Bahala Na. Midnight Bell on the outside. Elusive win, Midnight Bell on the outside. Elusive win, Midnight Bell. And nearing the finish line. Elusive win, Midnight Bell. Dynamic Love. Number 5, General Dugo. 3A for your